Hey everybody, this is Mark with Machine Tool Emporium. Wanted to show you our newest arrival into inventory. This is a 2014 Miltronics ML26 2-axis flatbed lathe. It'll swing 27 inches by 160 inches in Z. It's got an automatic 8-position turret, a 6.02 inch through hole, 4-jaw manual chuck. That's a 24-inch diameter chuck. Full CNC control as well as teach mode. So if you've got hand wheels and you just want to dial in on something like that. Coolant tank, chip trays, really nice clean machine. The ways are in great shape, as you can see. No big dings or scuffs or anything like that. It's set up on 230 volt 3-phase. It could be ran on 480 if you had higher voltage. And then we've also got 2 steady rests that come with the machine as well. If you guys have any interest or would like to see a video or schedule an inspection, give us a shout. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you so much.